What's up, guys? Welcome back to Horsepower and Pizza. My name is Bailey. It's Sunday fun day. I have old wheels and tires from my E36 that have been in my basement since I moved to Pittsburgh 4 years ago. I'm moving this week. I don't want them anymore. I don't have anything that they fit. They won't fit over the brakes on the 435 because they are 17-inch wheels. They have decent tires on them. My friend Adam over here has an E36. I told him I don't want the wheels. He can do whatever with them he wants. He can have them, but we're gonna roast some of the tires off first. So let's go have some fun. What did it cost you to paint it with tractor paint?
150 bucks. That was for 2 cars. We did the Miata and this.
Is it fun to do bad things, Adam?
Oh, yes it is. Burnout wheel.
Give her hell. And what did you tell me? You're like, oh, my car's open diff. I'm worried it's just gonna one-wheel peel.
No, everywhere else I go, other than this fucking birthday burnout going all the way up, this one was like, whoo.
I can't wait to watch because when I started coming around the right side of the car, I couldn't see shit. I was like, I hope he doesn't kick the ass end out. Yeah, I wouldn't try it. Would you say you fucking sent it?
That's an understatement. Yeehaw.
Alright, well, we came out to have a little bit of fun, and
I think we did that.
I think we did just that. This might have been the best way possible to spend my last weekend in Pittsburgh. I will update you guys on all of that. That's coming up. Colby and I will do a video because Colby is actually going to help take over with the podcast. Adam Eats Trees. Sam Calese. This is Horsepower and Pizza. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, Instagram, there's stickers on the website, whatever else you guys want to do. At Cold Pizza Podcast. That's on iTunes and Spotify. Love y'all. Peace out. Build it for you.